purpose of the platform was to give individuals with no prior experience in the global Forex market an opportunity to participate and hopefully to be profitable. Now, I'll use this as an opportunity to share a disclaimer when it comes to Forex trading. There are no guarantees in any financial market. There are no guarantees in investing. And there are no guarantees in any type of trading as well. So you need to make sure you're risking capital that you can afford to lose. Now, the positioning of this platform and the reason that they have been successful for the past 20 months is not simple and it's not easy, but it is easy to explain and understand. And that is that CFX has its own team of trading experts, and their focus of expertise is developing software that we use to trade in the global Forex market. So what you won't see with CFX is a trading floor with 50 or 100 full-time traders with their faces buried in computer screens, but rather software that's doing the job for all members that are participating. And then that team analyzes data as we proceed on a daily basis